In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of WhatsApp. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open the WhatsApp application in your phone by tapping on it. Then if you see at the upper right side of the screen, you will be able to see here three dots. You're going to tap on that and then you're going to tap on settings. Once you are here, if you tap on the first option, which is account, you are able to see here all the settings of your account. As you can see here that we do have an option to delete our account, but we do not have any option to log out of our WhatsApp account. So for this, first of all, you are going to close the WhatsApp application from your phone completely, and then you're going to go to your settings by tapping on it. Once you are here, you will be able to see here a search box of settings at probably upper side of your screen. You're going to tap on that and then you're going to search for apps. If you do have an option of app list over here, you can tap on that. But same like me, if you don't have that option, you will be able to see here any other option like all apps. So you're going to tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will be able to see here the option app list. In my phone, it is located right over here, but it is not same in all mobile phones. So you can scroll up or down until you see this option named as app list. So you're going to tap on that. After that, you will be able to see here another search box of your app list. So you're going to tap on that and then you can search for WhatsApp. Once you see your WhatsApp, you're going to tap on that and then from the WhatsApp settings, you are going to tap on storage and cache. Then if you see at the lower side of your screen, you will be able to see here clear storage. You're going to tap on that and then tap on OK. Then you're going to wait until the storage of your WhatsApp has been cleared, and once it is, you can go back to your home screen by tapping your home buttons. Then you're going to open the WhatsApp application again by tapping on it. This time if you see, you are able to log into a new account.